Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I'm doing another steak recipe for you. I'm doing a sirloin steak with green beans and potatoes from Home Chef. This is what it's gonna look like when we're done. I'm gonna unpack this for you. This is what they sent me for the meal, and you'll see what the products are like. I wanted to do it from the bag just so you can see what kind of bag they come in and how it looks when you're pulling all the products out. We're gonna pull everything out, then we're gonna go through all the products, and then you'll get to see exactly the process. I will walk you through the steps initially, and then I will just go through the steps. I'll speed that up so that you don't have to sit there watching that. This meal is scheduled to take somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes to prepare. It's not spicy at all, and it's about an intermediate level of difficulty, maybe like intermediate to easy. So we're gonna get at it, and then we're gonna start to move through things really quickly, but I'll read through the steps and then we'll get it done. So let's move to the unpacking. So when I'm looking at what's in here, in our packs, we have scallions, and all their food is organic. They give you the green beans. This is sherry wine for cooking. Another sherry wine for cooking. This is the pot roast seasoning. 2 sticks of butter. The beef Demi-Glace, which I'm still not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then our fingerling potato, or pot roast potatoes. So we're roasting these, but we're gonna roast them in the oven actually. So it says 8 ounces of green beans, 12 ounces of Yukon potatoes, 6 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of sherry cooking wine, a pound and a half. Oh, sorry. Forgot to show you this. This is the 12 ounces of steak. 2 green onions and beef demi-glace, right? And so this is 12 ounces of steak, by the way. And again, nice organic food. So we're gonna go through all of this. We're gonna start chopping stuff. The first step in the process is actually to prepare the potatoes. I've already preheated my oven to 425. We're gonna dice the potatoes very small. It looks like that. And then we're gonna put it on a single layer sheet, and then we're gonna prepare them. So let's get to that step. And then when I come back, we're gonna prepare the other ingredients, which are the green beans and the green onions. So let's transition. And so this part is the part that actually takes the longest time. We're gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes. It's gonna roast lightly, and then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna roast it for another, we're gonna move everything around and then we'll roast it for another 10 to 12 minutes, and everything should be golden brown. So this is the potato cooking part, just so you know, is the part that takes the longest part. Everything else is quite quick. So in this step, the green beans are already washed, so all I need to do is I need to take the ends, and I need to clip the ends off, trim the ends of the green beans, and then I need to thinly slice the green onion. So I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna go. Now that we prepared our ingredients, we're gonna move to cooking the steak, and then we'll prepare the green beans, and then we'll finish with the sauce. So we're moving back to the stove. Now the last step is we have to make our sauce. So you're using your pan. You notice I didn't clean the pan because you're going to use the same pan. You're going to put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in there, and you're going to cook your green onions. Once we do that, and that you're going to do that for 1 to 2 minutes, then we're going to add the sherry and the demi-glace sauce, and we're going to let that come to a boil. Once that comes to a boil for around a rolling boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, then hopefully the butter should be melted, and then we'll remove it from the burner, and then our sauce will be ready for the meal. And then we're gonna plate it, and then the next time we'll talk is once we're eating. So we're moving from this step. We're gonna do this quickly, and then we'll plate, and then we'll eat. So we finally finished the meal. It's about right. About 40 minutes is about right. It took me a little bit longer with the filming and moving around and stuff like that, but it came out looking like this. If you can see, it looks like this. We're gonna taste it, see how it came out. I suspect it's pretty good. Home Chef is pretty good. Again, remember, if you're looking at getting Home Chef stuff, I did include the link down below for a referral code, so you get $35 off your first meal. I like Home Chef. Like I said, the ingredients are fresh. The recipe directions are pretty straightforward and simple, and you don't have to be like a master chef to be able to do this. So I'm gonna taste it, and we'll see what it's like. This is a different demi-glaze than I've done before. It's a sherry-based one. So I will suspect it'll be, as I suspected, a little tart, but I like sherry sauces. I made the steak medium, but you can cook steaks. I normally eat steaks medium rare. based on their instructions, it makes it about a medium. So I did it to the instructions, but if I was cooking it for myself, I'd probably make it on the rare side. I'm always impressed at how nice the meat tastes. And then the green beans, I normally do my green beans in the microwave, so again, nice and fresh. Boiled them with a minimum amount of water, and then you sit them aside. The nice part about not microwaving them is that they still taste sweet. And I like that about them. Normally when you're cooking just for speed, you just throw them in the microwavable bag. But these, I cut the ends and actually boil them. And I probably actually have a steamer, so I probably would steam them if I was cooking them, not using the recipe. And then finally the potatoes. The potatoes are really nicely done. The seasoning that they came with, that pot roast seasoning, season them. It's almost like, it's similar to Old Bay, but not quite. So you could get away with, if you had to do a substitution, you could substitute Old Bay, and I think you'd get the same similar taste. Very nice. The olive oil, you can taste it's very light on the potatoes. The potatoes are firm but soft in the center, and I like that. All in all, I would say this meal, this sirloin steak with the green beans and the pot roasted potatoes, very nice. I recommend Home Chef. It's a great delivery service. Like I said, if you, for me, I can't complain. I like it. The ingredients are great. The meals are easy to make, and the time, it doesn't really take that long. Like I said, it's just filming it and making it. It probably adds about 10-15 minutes to the process. But all in all, I am pleased. So that's it for our video today. I'm gonna eat this, but I'm not gonna make you watch me eat this. Please subscribe, like below. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. That'll help other people get to see this video. And hit the notification bell so you can see when I put out my next video. I thank you very much again for rocking with me. I hope that you enjoy these meals. I hope you enjoy these cooking tutorials that I'm doing. And if there are things that you want me to cook, things that you want me to try to do, again, I can cook, but I'm a beginner with cooking some of these dishes. And so it is just like I am you. And so if there's something you want to experiment with, let me know, drop it in the comments. I'll try to get it. If there's a home delivery service that you want me to try, I will do that as well. Again, I'm out. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like below, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you next time. Subscribe and like below. Out.
Subscribe right below.
Ah!